Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. We have called another banger today. We put out an article pre-market today, and one of these stocks on that list is up 37% at its highs today, which was some very quick gains. And we have lots of stuff to talk about in today's video. We're going to be going over that stock in depth, how we saw that coming, as well as some other big potential plays in the market. Obviously right now, guys, there is not a lot of great things going on in the broad market, and we're going to talk about this, but that does not mean there is massive penny stock opportunities on the NASDAQ and on the NYSE, and that is what we do here at Viral Stock. As you guys can see, for over 5 years we have been providing this service. It is a completely free service to give you guys alerts on the best in the microcap arena. Our focus is solely on short-term high probability trading opportunities. We are not here to find the next dividend play for you and not here to find the next long-term investment. We are strictly here to provide you opportunities that could, none of this is guaranteed and is not financial advice, but could make you guys a lot of money in a very short amount of time, like the one today, up 37% just in a couple of hours. Those are the kinds of gains, and a lot of times we catch well over 10 and 20x stocks. So guys, it literally takes no time at all and is completely free. Make sure and click that link in the description below and sign up with your email to get our completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts. Like I said, it takes you about 2 seconds to enter in your email. It is absolutely completely free, and then you will be taken to this page where you guys can download our free penny stock ebook, and you also can enter in your numbers so you can get text messages, which are about statistically 7 times faster than email. So enter in your number here, once again, completely free. This is no spam. I promise you guys are not going to get any message through email or text that is not a stock alert, and it is not going to be 100 times a day either. This is only when we see good opportunities. Obviously these YouTube videos is when the opportunities have already passed, so make sure you get on this list so you guys can get the opportunities before they actually happen. Anyways, that link will be in the description below, and let's get right into this video, guys. So 3 NASDAQ penny stocks that are heating up today. So obviously, like we mentioned, NASDAQ penny stocks are heating up as this market ignores the recent hot inflation data and focuses on catalyst driven events. The broader market, it really isn't going so great right now. We see a lot of things pulling back later on in the day here, and the market overall is just extremely volatile since after Jerome Powell had to give that terrible speech and pretty much kill the fun of this market. But I really like to preach this on this channel and with our alerts because we really don't care about this stuff. It doesn't matter what the Fed is doing or what the other overall market is doing. That is really driven for big blue chip stocks. Penny stocks, they move on any catalyst no matter what the market is doing. Like biotech stocks, the whole market could be crashing. If one of those biotech stocks gets an FDA approval, you better believe it is going to have at least over 20% pop, which you guys will be able to capitalize on. So like it mentions, there are plenty of opportunities for our subscribers in NASDAQ and NYSE penny stocks with low floats, news, and significant short positions, and those are the plays that we bring you guys. We want you to be able to make big money off of a very small account, and there's only one place to do that. Well, two really, crypto, and in the stock market, that is a penny stock. And we're going to be alerting you guys with all of these best ideas before regular readers or subscribers to our YouTube channel. So click that link in the description so you guys can check that out. But the first stock here is probably my favorite on this list, and that is ticker symbol GMVD. This stock is already up about 77% year to date, but we still think it has a lot of room left to grow. So as we can see, this stock is up about 16% overall today, but after market open at its highs, it is up over 37% on the day, which is a pretty big gain there, and you had multiple chances to catch that anywhere from 30 to 37%. You had about 3 times here to catch the price over $4 per share because this article was put out pre-market. Anyways, though, this all comes as they are set to manufacture several million US FDA emergency use authorization approved CV19 test kits, which are available for retailers for sale by the end of January 2022. They're already accepting orders and have already landed some pretty big partners with this. On average, these test results are expected to be available online within 24 hours from the time the sample is revealed. So obviously, given that we are in the heat of of Omicron right now, it is very important to have this kind of stuff, and this company is benefiting a lot on it, and us investors are capitalizing on the entire thing. They have already had a test kit order for over 4 million units, which will profit them about $7 million in profit, which is definitely huge there. And obviously this is just the first one. They have much more to come. Now, what's important to note as well is that analysts, even after this 40-50% run up, they still think this stock has way more to go. The median estimate here represents a 109% increase of this stock just in the next 12 months. They think it's going to hit a share price of about $7.70, which obviously is substantially bigger. In fact, it's a double from where the stock is sitting right now. Now, the next stock on this list and the next couple of stocks on this list are ones that have not ran yet, but they do present a great opportunity that I want you guys to keep your eye on. So NXTD is a prime short squeeze play. 15% of its 6.82 million share float is currently shorted. And if we jump over to that stock here, we can see that it's down about 10% on the day with the entire market. It has gone up a little bit over the last 5 days, but nothing substantial there. It is up about 58% over the last 1 month, but really there is still much more opportunity for at least to gain these highs once again and even push past that with the massive short squeeze play at hand here. So let's talk about it a little more. NXTD is a top cybersecurity company that has been beaten down by the short, but obviously that does not matter in this new world anymore, because the rise of Wall Street bets and army of apes retail investors have figured out how to beat the old Wall Street dogs with a gamma short squeeze. You guys that play off of short squeezes in these penny stocks should know exactly what a short squeeze is, and more specifically a gamma short squeeze. Gamma short squeezes happen all because of short dated call options all expiring in the money at a close amount of time. This ultimately causes an upward spiral, triggering more and more call buying and higher stock prices, and it just goes from there. And then you could ultimately have a short squeeze on top of that, where some of these short sellers start to get their calls in where it is time to buy back those shares. So lots can happen there with a gamma squeeze, and much potential with NXTD. Now, the next stock on this list is PHUN. So PHUN started running where there was all that buzz around President Trump and his SPAC WAC. And as you can see from the charts here, both of them move in a very similar manner because it's all related to retail investors. Now, we're going to cover PHUN in today's video because it is a penny stock and it is on the NASDAQ, but DWAC could also be a little bonus stock for you guys in today's video. This stock is much bigger, but nevertheless, it still moves substantially. Like, it's up about 25% just in the last 5 trading days. But PHUN obviously has the ability to move much more, in our opinion, is a better risk to reward opportunity with how cheap the share price is. So anyway, as we can see, PHUNware had joined hands with the Trump campaign for the development, launch, and ongoing management and evolution of the Trump-Pence 2020 re-election campaign's mobile application portfolio on Apple iOS and Google Android smartphones. And this ultimately has way more room to run. Jumping over to PHUN here, we can see that it's sitting at about $2.85 right now, has gone up a little bit, but it's still down over the last 5 days, still down over the last 1 month, but you can see it has massive rallies. Another wave like this could bring this stock well above $8 per share again, and we are starting to see investors pile back into WAC, to PHUN, and these meme stocks. So definitely look out for this one and keep an eye on it. But one stock that I definitely want to show you guys is BBIG. This stock is up 18.69% on the day, doing extremely well, and that is all because of their Cryptide launch that is expected. And this is just rumors. This isn't even actually coming to tuition yet. So keep an eye on BBIG. This is a short squeeze opportunity and has much more room to run if it gets the strength that it needs. It is a higher market cap of about $321 million, but as you can see, it still has the opportunity to go up substantially in a short amount of time. But in all reality, guys, you know exactly what it is. All of these stocks have already moved on the day, or at least one of them has moved on the day. We're still looking at 2 others that have the potential to keep on running. And if you want to get those alerts when they happen, if they happen for those 2 stocks, make sure you are subscribed down below. But anyways, we look for these hot NASDAQ stocks. We screen every morning trying to find low float runners and short squeeze opportunities. And by signing up with your email, you'll get our penny stock book where you can see this kind of information, how you guys can scan for some of these low float runners. But to make it extremely easy for you guys, that's why we created viral viralstocks.io. All you got to do, sign up with your email, sign up with your text, and you will get these alerts straight to your email and your phone as soon as they happen, and at 9:30 right as the market opens, so you guys are able to get on the opportunity early before the action happens, of course only if you guys want to. Anyways though guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. Thank you for coming out to viralstocks.io. Have a good day, and as always, good luck to all except the shorts, because you guys are the ones we want to squeeze out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.